Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to be in this sideways consolidation unchanged. We've been talking about it in the previous videos that we are likely in this wave 4 correction after the price rallied in 3 waves. You can see that here where the price started to move in June 2023 in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2, rallied in a wave 3. Then here this is sort of a wave 4 consolidation or correction, which likely is going to be some kind of a sideways correction. It's not very clear what the structure is here in the very short term, but you can see that this wave 2, it took it 1.5 months to complete. The wave 4 is, well, not even close to that. So time-wise, it definitely can still extend a little longer. But as we often say, wave 2s and 4s in crypto, they often have roughly the same length. They're not always, not exactly, but they have sort of roughly the same length, so it's worth observing that, at least watching for that. To get a reliable wave 4, you would typically prepare yourself at least mentally for such a long correction. So if that wave 4 is complete, then we're watching for a wave 5 afterwards, and that can take it to $18.30 plus, possibly into the $20 region. Then we have 5 waves up, and again we can call that then a wave 1 leading diagonal complete, and we're going to watch for a wave 2 pullback, which is the corrective pullback after an impulse or a diagonal, which could be the setup for a third wave rally afterwards. So, but in the very short term here, LINK is just moving sideways. There are different ways how this can unfold. It is, for example, possible that the C wave has already started. Do I really believe it? Not really. It's possible. But then this move was very high, so it's just choppy corrective action. And we also said that we should not rule out the idea of a high B wave. Definitely made you aware, because whenever the A wave is a 3-wave move, we have to be prepared that this B wave here, that the B wave could be a high B wave. How exactly this is unfolding also needs to be seen. It's possible that this was a 1-2 setup, for example, and so in wave, so A wave down, B wave up. Oh no, this was an AB, and then this is like a 5-wave move in wave C, so A, B, C in wave B or something. So there are many ways how this can unfold. It's also possible this B wave is still in the making of wave of the larger B wave. So very difficult to say. I don't even want to give you, let's say, a fixed wave count for this. What I think we have fixed so far is the assumption that this here was an A wave, because it was a very clear 3-wave move, but this here is sort of still in flux, still in the making. I think I mentioned it in one of the previous videos. It's even possible that some kind of a triangle is here unfolding. It might even be an ascending triangle. Can you see that? An ascending triangle that's sort of unfolding here. If it is one second, an ascending triangle, then the B wave might unfold as a triangle. I'm not talking about necessarily circle wave B, but here wave B within circle wave B, and could then break out to the upside, okay, in wave C of circle wave B. We talked about resistance for this high B wave is between $15.70 and $18.30. We haven't even reached that resistance level yet. So first of all, the price would need to break above this trend line here and the previous highs around $15.35 to indicate that we're actually moving higher in a high B wave. At the moment, this is just directionless and trendless consolidation, but I can tell you that one scenario I'm observing here for this smaller B wave is the development of a triangle. We can add a triangle count to this, but please don't treat this as predictive. It's just sort of education and what I'm watching for. C, then this could be a D now, and maybe one more higher low in E, and then C, this could form a triangle, and then the triangle would be the B wave and would then be able to break to the upside. Also circle wave B could be a triangle, absolutely. It's just that whenever the A wave here, circle wave A, is a 3-wave move, we just have to be prepared for a stronger B wave, which is what we're doing here. So it could still take a little while before all of this is complete. Yeah, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.